Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to have a little review video of the Donruss Blaster Box. Got these off the Target website for $25. Get a lot of cards in these boxes, 90. So 50 bucks here. You're going to get as many cards as you do in the hobby box. Just going to cost you about a quarter of the price. We're going to be looking obviously for those downtowns. Did not have one of our hobby box. If you want to check that out and see what we got there, we have that in our previous videos. In these, we're going to be looking for these Crunch Times, which are Blaster exclusives. They have some Donruss Threads Rookie Phenom jerseys, memorabilia cards that are Blaster exclusives. And we'll open this up so you can look at this list here of all the cards to chase. I believe these have a lot of numbered cards to go after. You can find some autographs, so there you go with those. A lot of cards to chase, some low numbers, a lot of high numbered. So for 25 bucks, let's see what these got for us. Maybe there's something you want to check out. In the back there, we do have some Mosaic retail hits that we've had out of our packs for the Mosaic, which was a good product of the retail, I thought. And we got a couple stands ready just in case Donruss has a few hits. So we're going to have a lot of base here. We'll just kind of fly through the base. Drew Lock, some Michael Brocker, Adam Thielen, Daniel Jones. The nameplates at least going to kind of be hard to read on some of them. So you're going to get a lot of base out of these packs. Be a good collection to go after if you're a set builder. Gonna get a lot of base. So there's our first rookie, Kayvon Thibodeau, and a red press proof Nico Collins. So pretty basic first pack. Can't get much worse than that, I wouldn't imagine. No numbered cards or anything special. No parallels. James Conner. So far, the hobby box was a lot more exciting. Just killing with the base, little kicker love. And there's a rated rookie, Chris Oladukin for the Steelers. Not the quarterback you were looking for, but maybe he'll get a shot someday. Rated rookie, Danny Gray, and a throwback, Paul Krause of the 2002. Really base heavy. I haven't really pulled any inserts, parallels. Hopefully that means there's just a really good hit hiding in this pack since they're doling it down. David Adams, Carson Wentz, Dan Marino. I got a dud box here with the way this is going. Start working on that set, I guess. Mange Sanders rookie. Tyler Batty, and backwards card here with the Bengals, Joe Mixon. A production line. I believe that might be one of the short prints. 1205 rushing yards. We'll put a sleeve on that one. So kind of our first insert or parallel out of the 3 packs so far. Good looking card there. Don't believe it was numbered. No number. Keep on ripping. Maybe on the struggle bus. Alright, back to the base here. Not even getting a ton of rookies out of these packs, just a lot of base. Second year Zach Wilson, Joe Burrow, Patrick Vermouth. There's a Patrick Mahomes, AJ Terrell, and it looks like our first rookie is a Garrett Wilson out of this pack. And the backwards, not backwards card, just a 92 throwback Leonard Fournette. Alright, 2 packs left of this blaster. Not impressed so far. Have seen some people have some luck out of these. This is probably one of the worst blasters I've seen so far. Someone's got to have it, I suppose. The base is piling up fast. Bo Jackson throwback, Alvin Kamara, Palmer, Jerry Jeudy, TJ Watt. Rookie will be Logan Hall, Tycon Thornton, and a Kids Reporter. So, yikes. Last pack. Better have something special in it because that was a brutal box. Might be glad I didn't buy a bunch of these. Barry Sanders, Donald, Eddie George, getting some older players in here. Brett Favre. I haven't seen a whole lot so far back there. Devontae David, rated rookie Drake Jackson, Calvin Austin, and our last card of this blaster is a Gridiron Kings Ronnie Lott. Kind of on that canvas look. So we'll go ahead and sleeve it up. There wasn't much to show off in that box. Getting into number 2, hopefully this one can make up some ground on both of these. Here we are, last one. If you guys have had a little better luck with these blasters, you can let me know. I hope they all aren't all that brutal. Alright, to the base. Mark Andrews, CJ Mosley, Adam Thielen. And they could fit a few more inserts or something to add a little color to this box. Just kind of waiting on that last card every time. Keontae Ingram and a Dalton Schultz press proof. So again, not much in that pack. Hoping doesn't mean they just overprinted everything and might have some boxes that are just full of nothing. Yikes. Well, for me, this might be a product I stay away from when it comes to the blasters, because some of our rookies, Drake London, Roger McCreary, and a Quay Walker on the portraits there. Sleeve that up. Might have a total of $3 out of all this stuff so far. But that's kind of part of the fun, is chasing those hits in retail. Chance you take for not having to spend the big dollars on the hobby boxes. Chase Horn, Dan Fouts, V2V. And here we go. George Pickens, rated rookie. And Nick Bonito. And our backwards card is a Rookies Revolution of Kyle Hamilton. Guessing these are just kind of another insert, nothing too special. So no numbered cards so far. We got 3 more packs to go out of these two, so that'll be 180 cards of mostly just base. Probably see several of the same names go through here. So far, these are just set builders, really, in my opinion. Gerald Patterson, Kenyon Drake, Michael Thomas. Here's a rookie, Trey McBride, Kobe Bryant, and a AJ Brown on the highlights. So kind of another bummer pack there. Now the Illusions are the same price as these. They don't really have as much to chase, but at least they give you some fun inserts and stuff. These are really bland. Jordan Poyer, Zach Wilson, Joe Burrow. Just a pile of base cards down here. Tavon Thibodeau rookie, Logan Hall, and a kid reporter. All right, last pack. See if the beating continues. Josh Allen, Deebo Samuel, Justin Fields, Dawson Knox, Miles Sanders. This is just how sometimes the rips go. Just continually being kicked in the gut. Tyreek Hill, Matt Ryan. We got a Kenneth Walker rookie. Another Chris Leduc. And the rookies is an Isaiah Spiller. So no numbered cards, nothing special. Based on those two boxes, this is probably something I'm going to avoid mostly on the retail side. I mean, these were, I'd say, our best cards out of it. For the production line, Joe Mixon. A Gridiron Kings Ronnie Lott. Quay Walker on the canvas. And a Rookie Revolution Kyle Hamilton. I'm sure some people have had a lot better luck than that, but today for us, it was a butt kicking. So for me, I would probably stay away from this. It must be very overproduced, and if you guys decide to rip it, let me know, and share your hits. And if you do rip it, good luck. Thanks for checking out this video.